Hi guys, today we look at the top 10 consulting firms in the world and how they are coming to India and how they are recruiting the MBAs in India. That's the main perspective from where we are looking at. So I'm dividing the consulting firm into three type of consulting firms. So we'll look at each of them one by one. So if I just increase the size of this thing. At number 3, third point is Deloitte. Yeah, all the consulting firms like Deloitte, Cognizant, Infosys, Wipro, all the companies have the consulting arms. They're not pure consulting firms, they're consulting arms. So they are predominantly IT consulting firms. Yeah, they all come at number 3. Yeah, Accenture is the only major IT firm which have a strong Accenture Consulting Group, ASMG, Accenture Strategic Management Group, ASMG. So I'm counting that as a separate. So Accenture is the only firm which have broken away from these IT firms. So please remember, they are Deloitte ho gaya, ye ho gaya, they are predominantly IT firms. So most of the projects you are going to get are going to be in IT only. Yeah, so that is number 3, third type of consulting firms. They are going to almost every college in the top 30 colleges in India. Yeah, and hiring from there, top 30 colleges. Okay, then if we move up the value chain, we have the KPMG, PwC, Ernst & Young, all those companies which are there, which are again predominantly into the accounting groups. So the mainly the top for all the top accounting firms are there, which also have a consulting arm. See, IT companies have upgraded them into consulting. Same way, Ernst & Young, KPMG, AT Kearney again a very good firm, Bristlecone. So all of them have upgraded them into IT as well. So sorry, into consulting as well. So they are type 2 company in India. Yeah. Number 1 and the main thing in India with their hiring is at number 3 we have Bain and Company, ranked 3rd biggest consulting firm, which is hiring point of view. Yeah, from the students' choice of view. Boston Consulting Group number 2, BCG, and number 1 in India most wanted and most sought after company is McKinsey. Rank 1, rank 2 and rank 3. These are the top 10 companies which are there. Yeah, Booz Allen and Hamilton is coming to campus, but at very few places. You'll find at IIM Ahmedabad, only they come to IIM Ahmedabad. Mercer I've not seen in India yet. So it's in the world's top 10 brand, but not coming to India. Okay, so summarizing my point. So 3 type of consulting firms. 1 is all the IT companies. Yeah. Number 2 is all the big 4, Ernst & Young, PwC, all those companies. And number 1 is your MBB, McKinsey, BCG and Bains. Yeah, but to join this company you have to be from the top B schools in India. If you want to join especially MBB, you have to be from the top 10, top 15 colleges in India only. So you have to work hard accordingly so that you can clear the exams and get into the top companies, top colleges. And those who are already in the good B school or decent B school, you can upgrade yourself to Accenture or Bain in a lateral hire. Yeah, for lateral hire you have to approach the company sites or through contacts. If you have any contacts, anyone whom you know in Accenture, you can apply via them. Yeah, so from India's point of view, the major 4 companies which are coming on campus is Accenture, BCG, McKinsey and Bain Consulting. Yeah, these are the 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 ranked, top 4 ranked companies from the campus point of view based on the preferences of the students. Yeah, how you feel about them, please do post in the comments. All the best. So go to cetking.com/consulting, cetking.com/consulting. I've given the link for the free courses you can do for consulting, and I've given the link for the top colleges you can target for consulting. All right, all the best.